So now that we have our plugin installed, it's time to create our first bonus page. So next we want to click on Pages, click on Add New Page, and once we're on the Add New Page, we want to select our template. So we want to select our bonus page template. So once it's selected, you can see how the options have changed. First thing we're going to do is give it a title, and then we're going to start changing the look of our page. So as you can see, we can add in our bonus page header here. So I like to add a slice image to go across the entire screen. Next, we're going to add our header information or our header image. Next thing we want to do is we want to put in a killer headline. Our awesome headline goes here. So now if we click on Preview Page, we're going to see that there's some changes here, and here's our awesome headline. So if we go back and make some more changes, we can see that we can change the color of our headline. And if we go back and preview that page, see that our headline has changed. So now we can start to change some of these options. So as we go down, here's our option for our countdown timer, which is something I definitely suggest you have on your page. Next we have our video, and here is our purchase button. So we can say purchase here now. And again, we can change the color of that button. So when we go back and preview that page, we can now see that the buttons have changed. So you can go through this entire page, all these different settings, to create the page that you want to use to promote the affiliate product that you're using. So once we get in here, we can start adding in our banners and our different products in here. We can add in a checklist here like this. We can add a bonus template or a bonus image just like this. So as you can see, we can change the font color here if we want, just to show you, write in a great description in here. So once we do that, you can see again how this page is going to turn out and start coming along and building. So here's our bonus, and we can change, obviously these bonuses information. Here's our, a great description. Here we can change the title color, the title, the headlines. Here's our image. Here's how to claim your bonus. I suggest, if you want to do it manually or however you want to deliver it, make sure you give them good instructions how to do that. And then there's a thing here at the bottom that tells them how to clear the cookies to make sure that you get credit for the sale. So that's pretty much it on how to create your bonus page. Just want to go through all these different settings, play around with it, and you guys will create some awesome, stunning bonuses pages that will definitely increase your affiliate commissions as you go along and build your business. And it's a tool that is definitely going to help you grow your business and make more commissions. So see you in the next video.